YouTube tech community. So, how you been?
Law school is over, guys, and I'm back. YouTube, Andrew Darling here, Mr. Darling 4. When I started my channel back in June of 2013, guys, I started with the Galaxy Note 8.0 tablet and using it as a phone for a couple weeks. What great times. Y'all remember that?
How you doing? My name is Andrew Darling. I'm gonna take 30 days. This is June 11th, 2013, I think it is. This is day one.
So 2013 was peak Google Plus and the start of my fascination with the entire tech community. I was recording on a terrible webcam with horrible sound and no real objective to what I was doing. I was just rambling and discussing tech. That led me to grow rather quickly, but in 2015 I started law school. Even through law school, I still posted sporadically, and now in 2019 I'm less than 20,000 views from 1 million lifetime views on my channel. I've moved on from my roots in Android, and I moved over to iOS for both my phone and tablet, and that's going to be the topic of an upcoming video. I still use my Surface laptop as my main computer. I have considered switching to Mac, but I haven't made the switch yet. I've been so fortunate. So I've worked in several different industries, and I just took the Florida bar exam in February. The reason I'm coming back to my tech roots is because I want to do something different than what's currently out there. There are so many great tech shows and channels on YouTube, and I'm going to try and stand out in a couple different ways. First, I'm going to go ahead and bring back ties, maybe an occasional jacket, and I'm going to work hard to create better quality videos and point out the things that tech enthusiasts and the everyday users want to know. I'm also going to start a new series of videos called Quick Tech Takes, and these are going to come from subscriber comments about something they want to know about either a specific piece of technology, a tech company, or something from the world of tech overall. So I have 3 asks for all of my new and returning viewers. First, hit the subscribe button, then turn on that notification bell. No, seriously, go hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. All right, I want to go from, I'm at like 2,600 subscribers now. I want to go to 5,000 in the next 2 months. Second, share this video on your social media platforms. I've always believed that everybody who's been on this channel came to me organically and actually liked the content that I was providing, and that was the reason they stayed. So share this with friends, get the word out. The third and final thing I'm going to ask is drop a comment and tell me what you want the subject of my first Quick Tech Takes video to be. Do you want my opinion on the current smartphone market? How about foldable phones? What laptop should you buy? Let me know. So I've always relied on my subscribers to engage with me and help drive my content. While I was in law school, I didn't have time to keep my channel going, and I'll be honest, there are going to be times where I still don't have the ability to dive into some of the topics that I want to. What I will do is I will do my best to ensure that I put out videos once every 2 weeks. So I want to do at least 2 Quick Tech Take videos per month on top of the video every 2 weeks. So thank you again so much. So support, go like and subscribe, turn on that dang bell, and then, let's get these Quick Tech Take videos rolling. So again, this is Andrew Darling, Mr. Darling 4. Guys, thank you so much. And we're actually going to see you real soon in the next one. Take care.